guys, I thought I would show you a really quick video showing how to make a smoothie with, well, this is my favorite smoothie that I like. What this is just orange juice in a blend jet. I'm going to cut up a little bit of strawberry and put it in there. So I'm only going to use this big strawberry and then another little one. So I'm just going to cut it up into pieces. And I love the blend jet. I have a yellow one and a pink one. I don't know how good it's showing up in here, but yeah. So I'm using my yellow blend jet for this. And I'm gonna put some strawberries in. I took a bite. I love strawberries, they're so good. And just like one of the best fruits you can eat, right? Now, if you have a blend jet, I suggest cutting the fruit up, because if you put like big pieces in there, sometimes it can clog up the blender and you don't want to do that. So I got my strawberries in there. And what I'm going to do next is have some strawberries left. I am going to use a banana. Yeah, I think we only have one banana left. And that looks ripe. This looks like a good banana. I like my bananas on the riper side. Actually, I'm only going to use half a banana. So I'm just going to use half of one, because I already put strawberries in there. So, and then I'm just going to put the pieces in here. And I'm going to put the banana in here, save the other half, probably eat it in a little bit, and then I'm going to get a couple of pieces of ice. So I'm going to put about 3 pieces of ice in here as well. I love my smoothies cold. So we got the ice, orange juice, strawberry, and banana. And I'm also going to put the lid on the blend jet. And what I suggest you do is kind of like shake it up. Like you're going to shake it up before you start it. Oh, hold on, guys. I didn't put the lid on tight enough, obviously, because it started leaking. But yeah, you want to, let me do it over the sink here. Shake it up a little bit. You're going to turn that baby on. Let me turn the light on, guys, so you can see it better. Okay, it's all done. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. We got the strawberry, banana, ice, and orange juice, and it's so good. I'm just gonna put that right here. And I love to use a straw. I use these they're not recyclable, reusable straws. I can reuse them. You just wash them when you're done. I have a bunch of them. And voila, you got your smoothie. It's so good. I just wanted to show you guys this quick smoothie recipe, and I make this every night. And sometimes I use almond milk and bananas, or almond milk and strawberries as well, but I usually use the juice more. But sometimes I'll mix it up and use almond milk or oat milk and put strawberries or banana in it with ice. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.